Ready to transform your upper body strength in just 30 days? Whether you're struggling with your first push-up or aiming to master advanced variations, this challenge is tailored to push your limits. Join me as I guide you through each step, and by the end, you'll be amazed at your progress. Let's unlock your true strength together. Welcome to the 30-Day Push-Up Challenge. Whether you're a complete beginner who's barely managed one push-up or you've been working out for a while and want to master advanced techniques, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be answering some of the most pressing questions you probably have right now, like: how can you go from struggling with push-ups to completing advanced variations in just 30 days? What's the best way to structure this challenge to guarantee real results? Can push-ups really increase your upper body strength by 20%, and what changes will you start seeing in your body? And that's just the start. We're going to break down the entire challenge, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build consistency, avoid common push-up mistakes, and keep yourself motivated all the way through the 30 days. Stick around because I'm also going to share the most effective progression techniques for mastering push-ups, from beginner to advanced, so you're always leveling up. Trust me, you won't want to miss this, especially if you're serious about transforming your strength with just one simple move. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises you can do. No equipment, no fancy moves, just your body and gravity. Whether you're just starting out or you've been working out for a while, push-ups target multiple muscle groups like your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all in one simple movement. And here's the best part: when done consistently, push-ups can dramatically boost your upper body strength and muscle definition in just a short time. In this 30-day challenge, we've broken things down into phases to suit every level, from beginner to intermediate to advanced. This means no matter where you're starting from, you'll find the right path for you. Beginners will focus on mastering the basics, while advanced participants will take on new and challenging variations to push their limits. We're going to take this step by step, progressively increasing the difficulty so that by day 30, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. The goal? By the end of this challenge, you'll not only improve your push-up performance but also see noticeable changes in your strength and endurance. Trust me, the transformation will be worth the effort. If you're serious about building real strength, make sure to watch till the end because I'll be revealing key tips for progressing through each phase and avoiding common mistakes. Next up, we'll be diving into how you can assess your starting point and master the proper push-up form to build a solid foundation. You don't want to miss this. Before you explore any challenge, it's crucial to know where you're starting. Day 1 of this push-up challenge is all about assessing your current strength and, more importantly, getting your form right. Trust me, quality always beats quantity when it comes to push-ups. Doing 20 push-ups with poor form won't give you the same results as 5 perfect push-ups with full control. So, let's break it down. A proper push-up starts with your hands shoulder-width apart, your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, and your core fully engaged. Lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground, then push back up without letting your hips sag or elbows flare out. Focus on mastering this movement before worrying about how many you can do. Now, here's your first challenge: test how many push-ups you can do with perfect form. This is your baseline, no matter the number, this is where you're starting, and from here, it's all about progress. As you build strength and muscle memory over the next 30 days, you'll be surprised at how much this number will grow. So, how many perfect push-ups can you do right now? Let me know in the comments below, and don't worry if it's not many, we're here to get better, not perfect overnight. Stick around because up next, I'm going to walk you through the exact plan for the beginner phase. Whether you're starting with knee push-ups or incline push-ups, this phase is crucial for building a solid foundation. Let's get ready for the next step. If you're starting from scratch or still working on mastering the basics, don't worry, this phase is designed just for you. The first 10 days are all about building your foundation and improving your form. We're going to focus on modified push-ups like knee push-ups or incline push-ups, which are perfect for gradually building strength while protecting your joints. Here's the plan: start with 3 sets of 5 to 10 push-ups each day. It's not about doing as many as possible right away, but about getting consistent. By repeating the movement every day, you'll build muscle memory and increase your strength over time. You might find the first few days challenging, but remember, it's all part of the process. Every rep you do is a step closer to mastering the full push-up. Keep in mind that it's totally normal to struggle a little at the beginning. We're all starting somewhere, and the key here is progress. As the days go on, you'll notice your body adapting, and what felt hard on day 1 will start to feel easier by day 10. So, which variation of the push-up are you starting with? Knee push-ups, incline push-ups, or maybe even regular push-ups? Let me know in the comments below, and let's see where everyone's kicking off this challenge. Stick around, because next, we're moving into the intermediate phase where you'll begin transitioning to full push-ups, adding more reps, and avoiding some common mistakes that could slow down your progress. Stay with me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, by now you should be feeling stronger and more confident in your push-ups. In this phase, we're stepping it up a notch and transitioning from modified push-ups to full push-ups. This is where the real progress begins. If you've been working on knee or incline push-ups, now's the time to give full push-ups a shot, but remember, form is everything. Don't rush it. Start with small increases in your reps. For example, if you're doing 5 solid push-ups, aim to add 1 to 2 more reps every other day. It's all about gradual progression, and trust me, your strength will build faster than you think. And, as you're pushing yourself, be mindful of common mistakes. One of the biggest errors I see is letting your hips sag or your elbows flare out, both of which can lead to injury and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. This phase will not only increase your strength, but will also condition your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. By the end of these 10 days, you'll notice a big difference in your push-up endurance and how your body feels overall. How many full push-ups are you aiming for by the end of this phase? Let me know in the comments, and let's see who's hitting their goals. Next up, we'll be diving into the advanced phase, where things get really interesting. We'll be adding challenging push-up variations to push your strength and endurance even further, so stick around for that. Welcome to the final stretch. If you've made it this far, you've already built a solid foundation, and now it's time to challenge yourself like never before. In the advanced phase, we're introducing more complex push-up variations to really test your strength and endurance. Here's where things get exciting. You'll start incorporating moves like wide grip push-ups to target different muscle groups, diamond push-ups to fire up your triceps, and even decline push-ups to elevate the intensity. Want to push it even further? Try adding plyometric push-ups, explosive moves that will take your upper body power to the next level. At this stage, it's all about pushing your limits while staying focused on form. We're not just adding reps anymore, we're adding complexity. These variations will force your muscles to work in new ways, enhancing your overall performance and muscle growth. It's tough, but by day 30, you'll be amazed at how much stronger you've become. So, which push-up variation are you most excited to try? Wide grip, diamond, or plyometric? Let me know in the comments, and let's see who's ready to take their push-up game to the next level. Next up, we'll be talking about something just as important as the workouts themselves: rest and recovery. If you want to see the best results, you'll want to hear this. Now that you're deep into this push-up challenge, it's crucial to talk about something that often gets overlooked: rest and recovery. Many people think that to see gains, they have to be grinding it out every single day. But the truth is, your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger after your workouts. When you perform push-ups, you're creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound scary, but it's actually a good thing. These tears are what lead to muscle growth, but only if you give your body the proper time to recover. Incorporating rest days into your routine can help reduce fatigue, prevent injury, and improve your overall performance in the long run. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days a week where you focus on gentle stretching or light activity instead of intense workouts. Also, be mindful of your nutrition. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is essential for recovery. Foods rich in protein will help repair those muscles, while carbohydrates can replenish your energy stores. So, how often do you take rest days in your workout routine? Let me know in the comments below, and let's see how everyone balances effort with recovery. Up next, I'll share some of my favorite tips and tricks for keeping your motivation high throughout this challenge. You won't want to miss these strategies to keep you focused and engaged as we wrap up. As we near the end of our 30-day push-up challenge, let's talk about keeping that motivation alive. It's easy to start strong, but maintaining that momentum can be a challenge, especially when the workouts get tough or the progress feels slow. So, here are some of my top tips to help you stay engaged and motivated throughout this journey. First, set mini goals. Instead of just aiming for the end of the 30 days, break it down into weekly targets. Whether it's increasing your reps, trying a new variation, or simply sticking to your workout schedule, having smaller milestones can give you that extra boost to keep pushing forward. Next, track your progress. Write down your push-up numbers each day or even take video clips of your form. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating, and it's a great way to remind yourself that each small effort adds up to something bigger. Also, find a workout buddy. Having someone to share this journey with can make a world of difference. You can encourage each other, share tips, and celebrate victories together, whether they're big or small. Plus, it makes the whole experience more fun. Lastly, reward yourself for reaching those goals. Treat yourself to something special, a new workout gear, a massage, or even a day off to relax and recharge. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, helps reinforce positive behavior and keeps your motivation high. So, what motivates you to keep going when things get tough? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your strategies for staying inspired. And don't go anywhere. Up next, I'll be sharing how to maintain your push-up gains long after this challenge ends. You won't want to miss these essential tips for keeping your strength and endurance intact. Congratulations on making it through the 30-day push-up challenge. You've put in the hard work, and now it's time to talk about how to maintain those amazing gains you've achieved. It can be tempting to take a break and let the progress fade away, but with a few simple strategies, you can ensure that the strength and endurance you've built stick around for the long haul. First, keep incorporating push-ups into your routine. Whether you do them as part of a workout or as a quick daily challenge, consistently performing push-ups will help maintain your strength. Consider setting a weekly push-up goal to keep yourself accountable. Next, mix it up. Incorporate different push-up variations into your workouts to keep things fresh and challenging. You could even set a rotation of variations to keep your muscles guessing and engaged, which is key to ongoing progress. Also, don't forget to focus on overall fitness. While push-ups are fantastic, complementing them with other strength training exercises, cardio, and flexibility work will help create a well-rounded fitness routine that supports your goals and keeps you feeling strong. If you're serious about reaching your fitness goals, the lessons from this video are just the beginning. Talking about exercises that can complement your push-up training and take your progress to the next level, click on the video on your screen. Plank every day for 1 minute. See what happens to your core in just 30 days. Trust me, the information in that video will give you the full picture. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the strategies that can transform your body and your life. See you in the next one.